Welcome to AlphaCars and Royal Enfield Boston. Today we're taking a look at this barely used Royal Enfield Bear 650. This is a 2025 model and it only has 59 miles on it. That's right, it is really almost a new bike and it's a great value as you're going to save on the original assembly fees and the manufacturer freight fees. So really it's a great deal to be had, this slightly used Bear 650. In this video, we're gonna go around the bike and take a look at its condition, just confirm it is in very nice condition, and we'll start it up at the end and hear it run as well. If you are interested in this Bear 650, it is available at the date of this video posting, but I am very sure it won't be around for long. We do have some customers who express interest in getting one of these bikes as soon as they had a used option. But still, give us a call, send us an email if you are interested, and I'm sure if you're watching this later after the video is posted and if it's sold, I'm sure we'll have another or two available for you. But now let's take a closer look at this Bear. As I mentioned, this Bear only has 59 miles. I believe actually it might be 60 just from it going around the lot a couple times here. The screen does not flash in real life, it's just due to my camera, and you can see there are 60 miles. And we do have an in-depth video on that TFT screen and connecting your phone to it. So check that out, that'll be linked in this video. But going over the Bear's condition, the tank, the seat, everything is as you would expect. It's in really nice condition, just with a little bit of, minor wear here and there that you might note just from someone riding it. Taking a look, the engine, the header there. Headlight lens is nice and clear, no chips or anything like that. Rims are nice and clean, fenders, nice skid plate on it as well. And yeah, there's not a whole lot to show in this video because it's almost like getting a new bike. And we have the rear rotor here. Floating rotor design, nice and clean. Same thing with the front rotor, nice and clean. Floating rotor design. And we have that dual piston caliper right there. And taking a look at the tank, overall presents very well. No heavy wear or anything like that from the rider. Same thing with the seat. Everything looks great there. And you can view all the service info on our listing on alphacars.com. You can view the remaining tire and brake life. Of course, I'm sure those things are above 95% with only 60 miles. And as far as any other servicing that we're doing on the bike, you can view that on the listing. But let's fire it up now. We'll turn the ignition on. It is in neutral, so all we have to do is bump the starter. Fires right into life, runs super smooth. Exhaust is nice and clean. Of course, as you would expect with this age and mileage. So really, this bike is just such an awesome deal because it's like getting any other new bike you might find in our showroom, but you're saving quite a bit of money by not paying the manufacturer freight fee and the uncrating fee, because these bikes gave it a little rev there, because these bikes, they do arrive partially disassembled in a crate, and it takes some labor time to assemble them, do a little road test, and just confirm everything is working and assembled as it should be. So that's all I have for you in this little Bear overview. You can view all the details on our listing on alphacars.com. And if you want to learn more about the Bear itself, specifications and just cool things about it, we do have some other videos that will be linked in the description for you. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom. Please leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.